Let's talk about the cryptocurrency Polkadot. In the 21st century, there are too many cryptocurrencies that one can buy and sell for a profit. Polkadot is a new cryptocurrency that was developed to compete in the crypto world, which has taken the position of many other currencies in crypto world. Polkadot is a comparatively new cryptocurrency that is gradually gaining ground. Bitcoin remains the most valuable cryptocurrency and is unlikely to be dethroned anytime soon. However, Polkadot is gathering steam and poses a threat to other top-tier cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum. What is Polkadot? Polkadot is a blockchain connecting technology that allows value and data to be moved across previously incompatible networks, Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example. It is also intended to be quick and scalable. The DOT token is used for governance and staking, and it can be purchased or sold in other exchanges. The Polkadot protocol is intended to allow unconnected blockchains to securely communicate with one another, allowing value or data to transfer between instants and the Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchains without the need for an intermediary. It's also intended to be fast and scalable, thanks to the deployment of numerous parallel blockchains, or parachains, that relieve much of the processing demand from the main blockchain. The Polkadot token (DOT) has two primary functions inside the Polkadot network. It is a governance token, allowing holders to have a vote in the protocol's future, and it is used for staking, which is how the Polkadot network verifies transactions and issues fresh DOT. As part of your investment strategy, you can buy and sell DOT on exchanges. Founder of Polkadot. Gavin Wood is a British computer programmer and the creator of Polkadot, as well as a co-founder of Ethereum. He created Solidity and drafted the Yellow Paper, which defined the Ethereum virtual machine. Polkadot was founded in 2016 and is managed by the Web3 Foundation, which aims to create a free and decentralized internet. The foundation, on the other hand, had signed a deal with Parity Technologies to develop its protocol. How does Polkadot works? Polkadot cryptocurrency is designed as a blockchain, a method of storing data that functions similarly to a database. Polkadot is able to process all of this data because the various parachains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay chain. As a result, the Polkadot network can handle over 1,000 transactions per second, compared to approximately 7 for Bitcoin and 30 for Ethereum. Polkadot should become quicker if the network expands and more parachains are added, with rates potentially reaching 1 million transactions per second. Polkadot is based on a relay chain that uses a proof-of-stake consensus approach. Validators have voting power with the DOT token, allowing them to participate in project choices and development. Furthermore, when validators have a financial stake in the legitimacy of the verification process, the DOT token may be used to link and incentivize them to operate honestly in the network. How does start working on Polkadot? Polkadot secures the network, verifies transactions, and create and distributes new DOT via a concrete evidence mechanism as opposed to Bitcoin's proof-of-work system. DOT holders can interact with the staking system in a variety of ways, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they wish to devote. Validators, they are working a lot more. It is a significant commitment that involves technical knowledge. To become a validator, you must be able to run a node, one of the computers that form the network, with little to no downtime and stake a significant quantity of your own DOT. In exchange, you will be granted the ability to validate legitimate transactions, add new blocks of transactions to the relay chain, and potentially receive newly created DOT, a portion of transaction fees, and tips. On the other hand, you can forfeit some or all of your staked DOT if you act intentionally, make a mistake, or experience technological issues. Nominators, they enable regular investors to participate in staking in an indirect manner. You can outsource some of your DOT to a validator whom you trust to follow the rules. In exchange, you will receive a portion of the DOT earned by your chosen validators. Be careful who you choose. If your validator violates the rules, you may lose some of your stake. After that, there are 2 more developed and specialized roles in which more technicalities are involved. Collators. Collators track valid parachain transactions and forward them to relay chain validators. Fishermen. Fishermen assist in the detection and reporting of bad behavior across the network. Why are investors choosing Polkadot? Polkadot is attracting the attention of investors because it is more interactive than other options. Developers can link blockchains to the Polkadot system and even create entirely new blockchains. When investors notice a flurry of activity among developers around a new technology, they take notice. When it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum, investors are frequently required to purchase fractions of coins dependent on the worth of the coins they wish to purchase. Polkadot, which is presently trading at $27.63, is less expensive than the other options, making it a more appealing purchase. Miners arrange transaction data into blocks, solve cryptographic challenges to validate each block, and then add each block to the blockchain as they occur. Each time a miner completes these processes successfully, they are rewarded with Bitcoin. In other words, this system manages fraud protection and currency minting, obviating the necessity for financial institutions. As cryptocurrency grows in popularity, upstarts like Polkadot will grab market share away from large players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum is increased more than 171% over the last 12 months. It easily beat Bitcoin in growth in 2021. Many investors, though, are turning to emerging blockchain networks that provide alternatives to Ethereum killers, as some have dubbed these newcomers. As an investor, you stand to benefit the most, albeit at a higher risk, by investing in a promising new crypto opportunity. Potential benefits of investing in Polkadot. Polkadot hit the market with a value of $2.69 in August 2020. As of January 16, it's up to almost $28. This growth is enticing to investors looking to see a return on their investment. Polkadot is seen as an inevitable evolution of cryptocurrencies by certain investors. It is the next phase in the advancement of blockchain technology. It's a scalable business concept with plenty of space for expansion. Growth in business brings an increase in value for investors. Investor contributions. It also has a foundation that is intended to reward those that own DOT. Binance indicated that token holders have governance rights over the entire network, including voting rights on network fees, establishing or removing parachains, network upgrades. DOT tokens are used by Polkadot to screen out problematic investors by releasing them into the ecosystem. This is an opportunity for serious investors to assist Polkadot in improving the way it provides services. Potential risks of investing in Polkadot. Polkadot was established by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood and first released as a white paper in 2016 to the public. Because it is less than 5 years old and has only been on the market for less than 2 years, it has limited track record to compare it to, making it substantially riskier. Among the other dangers are: prices can be extremely variable at times. Coins are not backed by a physical asset. Government regulation may set restrictions on the manner in which Bitcoin can be utilized. Conclusion: Polkadot is one of the new variant in crypto world. As the most of the benefits, there are some alarming situations for investors while buying this currency. Despite the fact that Polkadot has numerous projects in the works, it will take some time before this new coin achieves widespread acceptance. Fortunately, it already has monetary value on exchanges, making it a cryptocurrency that is well worth keeping an eye on.